Please subscribe math.com and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more video updates.
Hello everyone. Our today's topic is the determinant of square matrix of order n is equals to 3. Now what is determinant, what is square matrix and what is order? Determinant we will see in this lecture by using this example. But what is square matrix? Square matrix is a matrix in which the number of rows is equals to the number of columns. It means rows is equals to columns. If there will be 3 rows, then the columns should be 3. If 4 rows, then column should be 4. So this is the concept of the square matrix. And order of the matrix is what? It means what is the number of rows or the number of columns. If order n is equals to 3, it means the number of rows and column is equals to 3. So it is clear that we have 3 columns and 3 rows. So we are going to find the determinant of a square matrix, a matrix having number of rows equals to the number of column and its order must be equals to 3, that is the number of rows equals to 3 and the number of columns should be equals to 3. So how we can find the determinant? We have seen in our previous lectures that the determinant of a 2 into 2 matrix can easily be found by multiplying the diagonals and subtracting them together. But when we came across a matrix of order n is equals to 3, how we can find the determinant? So for that purpose we have a formula that will be applied by using the minor and cofactor. We have discussed the concept of minor and cofactor in our previous lecture. So let's see what is the formula. So this is the formula of finding the determinant of a square matrix of order n is equals to 3. Keep this in mind, this formula is not same for the matrices of order n greater than 3, as it will change with as the number of rows or the column increases. This formula will also be changed. How? We will see it in the next lecture, but currently when you came across the square matrix of order n is equals to 3, then you must have the formula of this of the determinant of A that is given. Now let's see what this formula says, what is A11, what is M11 and how we can find that. So this A11 is the element of the matrix. Element of a matrix at which location? At first row and first column. So we can say that A11 is this element. Then what about the A12? This is another element of the matrix where it is at the location in first row and second column. So this will be the element that is in the first row and second column. What is A13? This will also be the element of the matrix where this will be at first row and third column. So we just need to consider the first row of the given matrix while using the formula, and we'll just forget about the rest of the elements of the matrix. Now rest of the elements will be helpful when we are going to find the M11, M12 and M13. Now what is M11, M12 and M13? M11, M12 and M13 are the minors of the elements at location 1, 1, 1, 2 and 1, 3. Now how you can find the minor? We have seen this in our previous lecture about the concept of the minor and cofactor. So this is also minor, this is also minor and this is also minor. So these are the minor of the elements. It means minor of the element at location 1, 1. It means minor of the element 5, minor of element 2, minor of element minus 3. So let's see how you can find the minor of the elements one by one. So first of all we will find M11. M11 have formula equals to what? M11 is the minor of the element at location first row and first column. So I will represent it by the green color, as this is the element at M11 location. So what we have to do in order to find the minor of an element, we have to delete the row and column in which that element lies. So this is the row and column of element at 1, 1 location. We have to delete it and we have to consider the rest of the elements in order to find the determinant. So rest of the elements are minus 1, 1, 1 and minus 2. Now we can find the determinant of this matrix by using the method of finding the matrix of method of finding the determinant of a matrix of order 2 into 2. So its determinant will be M11 will have determinant minus 1 into minus 2, minus 1 into minus 2, minus 1 into 1. So what we have to do, we have to multiply the diagonals and subtract them together. So what we will get is 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So this is the minor of an element M11. So we can easily put this in the formula. Then what we have to do, we have to find the minor of an element M12. That is given in the formula. How we can find that? Let's see. We can find the minor of the element M12 as element is the at location 1, 2. 1 means first row, 2 means second column. So at first row and second column we have the element 2, and its minor can be found by deleting the row and column in which that element lies, and then finding the determinant of the rest of the elements. So what are the rest of the elements? Rest of the elements are 3, -2, 1 and -2. So its determinant will be again in the same formula that we use in 2 into 2 matrix by multiplying the diagonals. So 3 into -2 minus 1 into -2. What we will get is -3 into 2 is -6 plus 2 is equals to -4. So this is the minor of an element at location 1, 2. Then we have lastly element that is at 1, 3 location M13. M13 can be found easily by considering the element at 1, 3 location. So for M13 we have to consider the element at M13 location, that is -3, and we have to delete the row and column in which that element lies and consider the rest of the elements of the matrix. So rest of the elements are 3, -2, -1 and 1. So what will be the determinant? Let's see. 3 into 1 minus -1 into -2. What we will get is 3 minus 2, that is equals to 1. So we have got the minor of the elements as well as the elements that are given in the matrix, and now we can easily find the determinant of the matrix by putting these values into the formula. So let's put these values in the formula. What is A11? A11 is the element of the matrix at location 1, 1. So this is the element, that is 5. So I will write 5 and multiply it with M11. What is M11? This is, we have found the minor of the element, that is 1. Then minus A12. What is A12? Is the element at location A12, that is 2. And we write 2. And what is M12? M12 is the minor of the element, that is equals to -4 that we have found. So it will be -4. And then what is A13? Is the element at location 1, 3. It is -3. So I write -3. And M13 is the minor of an element at 1, 3. So it is 1. And just we need to solve it further. It's equals to 5 plus 8 minus 3. It is equals to 10. So we have got the determinant of a matrix, that is equals to 10. So this is the method how we can find, the determinant of a square matrix of order n is equals to 3, or having rows and columns equals to 3. And by using the formula including the minor of an element, and minor can be found by just deleting the row and column of that element in which it lies, and then consider the rest of the element and find the determinant. So just put these values in the formula and we will get it. So in the next lecture we will see how you can find the determinant of a matrix of order n is equals to 4. So that's all from today's lecture. Thank you.